Hi everyone, today we're going to make some awesome sourdough starter because this is mine and I killed it. So let's get to it. Welcome back to our YouTube channel everyone. My name is Lauri Howes. I'm a realtor with Keller Williams Realty in Eugene and Springfield and Team Howes, and today I have an assistant, Summer Lynn. And today we're going to talk about this dead sourdough starter. But first and foremost, I am a realtor. So if you have any real estate questions at all, down in the description below are all of our contact information and a lot of freebies. So if you're getting ready to sell your home, there's some freebies, free tips you can download. And I forgot what I was going to say. That's okay, we'll move on. Anyhow, back to the sourdough starter. So I was gonna make sourdough pancakes this morning for everybody, and I realized that I have not fed my sourdough starter for a long time. And you really do need to feed it at least once a week. If you're using it daily, then you would need to be feeding it every day. But it takes just as long to restart this starter as it is to just start a new starter. So Summer and I today are going to make a new batch of sourdough starter. Summer,
yes.
What can you do with sourdough starter?
Well, you can make sourdough pancakes, sourdough muffins, and sourdough
Bread.
bread.
That's right. So what do we put in our sourdough starter?
Well, first we have our 1 package of active dry yeast. Then we have our 4 cups of flour. And then here we have our 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then right behind me, we have our 1 quart of warm water.
So our 1 quart of warm water is about 100 to 110 degrees. And Summer, this is how we're going to activate our yeast. So Summer, I'll clip the yeast packet for you. You can pour it in very carefully.
Okay.
Now go ahead and stir it up really good with this fork. Yep, I think you got it good. Summer, your yeast looks like it's pretty well mixed. I think we can move on to the next step. Okay, Summer, what's next?
We pour in our flour.
Into our bowl.
Yeah. And then pour our sugar. And then
Do you want to give that a toss?
dip our sugar.
Summer made sure that she washed her hands for 2 full minutes before we started this project. What are you sing while you're washing your hands, Summer?
Well, some people will sing the birthday song 2 times, but I sing the ABCs and then rinse and say the ABCs over again while I rinse.
Okay, that's very good. Okay, you can pour in your,
Very carefully.
give that a stir. You want me to help you?
Yeah. Mix it until it looks like dough.
You could do this with a big hand mixer or a big KitchenAid, but we don't have one, so we just do ours with a whisk and a bowl. So we have our starters all whisked and mixed together and looks like almost like pancake batter. I don't know if you can see it, but it is just like pancake batter and about the same consistency. So now we'll take it, we're gonna cover it with a towel and we're gonna put it by our wood stove so it can stay warm over the next 2 to 4 days is how long it takes to sour. And then after that, what's the first thing we're gonna make with our sourdough starter?
Maybe sourdough bread or sourdough biscuits.
That would be good. Or sourdough pancakes like I was gonna do today.
Yeah.
Okay. I hope you enjoyed our video on sourdough starter. definitely make some. It's easy to make, as you can see. While we're all in quarantine, these are fun things you can do with your kids. If you need more instruction, I will have it down in the description, so you can go ahead and click on that, and it'll show you how to take care of your starter, how to feed your starter so it stays alive. So thank you again for joining us. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell, because we're going to be doing a lot of videos while we're all on the hill together.
Yep, and well, I might be in most of them.
Yeah, Summer will be here to help me. Anyhow, y'all have a great weekend, and we'll see you next week.